What's up? It's Ryder. This is the Mako V3. So I've wanted this Balisong for such a long time, and it's depressing that Squid Industries, discontinued this version because it was pretty much a finished product, and it didn't really need any changes, like maybe bushings, and that would have been it. That would just it was amazing. And they kind of ruined it with the V4. And I'm not going to ever buy, I don't think I'll buy any first-hand Squid products, but this is not first-hand. This is second-hand, right? Or third-hand, I don't know. And I bought it from, I don't remember his username, but it's like Fat Arm Flips or something. But let's unbox it, right? So I'm gonna set the camera down. Now, this is, oh, it just peels off. Oh, okay. Well, I thought it would need a knife, but whatever. All right, so, okay, it's in a box. He lost the original box, which sucks. Or I think he lost it, or it got ruined. I don't know, but he put it in some, I don't know, cheap box, whatever. Ooh. Alright, I got it open. Okay, paper towel. Lots of paper towels. Don't worry, I'm going to pick it up after I'm done, so I'm not going to litter. Oh, there it is. There's the Mako. Oh. Holy crap, this thing, this flips really well. Whoa, yo, whoa. This is, really good. Like, holy crap. I'm liking this so far. I mean, handle gap, look. I bought this to revive it because this was definitely a beater. I'm going to have to revive it, that's a given. Good thing that he already took the fin off, because that would have been kind of annoying to take it off. But yeah. This thing is definitely a really good flipper so far. I mean, this thing is really smooth. It has a super slight handle bias. I watched that Anderson True review. This barely feels like a handle bias. Come on. Are you sure this is handle bias? Maybe I flipped my Covenant too much. But nah, man. Nah, man. This is good. Why the heck did you discontinue this? Come on, Lucas. Bro, this does everything I want it to. What? Yo, really discontinued this? What the heck, guys? It has a ring to it, which is awesome. Ah, crap. I'm keep on dropping it. What the heck? Yeah, but this is really good, actually. I like this. It, wait, let's throw a scissor. Yo, easy double choker. Let's throw it in a Z. Whoa, That was a bad Z choker, but let's redo that. Even better. Yo, this is awesome. Whoops. Holy crap. Why'd he sell this? Well, I know why. He's getting the Zephyr. Yeah, I'll come back to you and after I flipped it for a bit and see what my new opinion on this is. But so far, I am rather in love with this. Like, whoa, this is a very nice flipper. I can get into my flow like really well. So, all right, I'll be back. So it's been about an hour. I flipped it for a decent amount of time. I lubed it up, and ooh, this thing is a blast. I like this so very much. It's flipping very well and looking really clean. Actually, it looks like crap, but I just wanted to be nice. Listen to this. Now, Garrett just said it sounds disgusting, which is nice. But I think it sounds pretty well, so take that. Yeah. Wow, this thing is such a good flipper though. I don't think I've ever felt anything this well for aluminum. Like, the Koenig and the Vortex was good, right? This sounds like trash, but this flips way better than what I was expecting. Like, I was expecting this to be decent, but not, like, amazing, right? Because, let's be honest, I bought this because I wanted to revive it. Thing is, I'm trying to revive 3 different washer-only Balisongs from the really great period of the old times, of the before times when everyone was using bushings in their cheap Balisongs. The Mako, the Beta Glider, the Zephyr, the Hypex. I might be getting all 4. Maybe. We'll see. I'm actually probably going to get a fresh Zephyr, if anything, now, since he's back. So, that idea is not to its full effect, but mostly going to happen. It's just so much better than I was expecting. Like, this is... Okay, this flips better than the Beta Arctic. My Beta Arctic was beat pretty bad. Way better condition than this. And this doesn't seem too beat, actually. I looked at it. It's not that beat. My Glider Beta was super beat. And it still has... Handle gap barely shrunk. It shrunk like... It was like this. So, handle gap was like this. And it shrunk like that. After, almost 2 years of owning it. And a lot of flipping. Probably one of my most flipped Balisongs of all time. Close to the Serpent Striker. So, I'm just saying, this thing is really good. And plus, check out these chokers. It is, or not, it is one good fainer. It fans really well. That's what I'm trying to say, but, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm crap today. I don't know why I can't fan. Like, I'm trying to get into at least 4 chokers, but it's just not happening. Like, 1, 2. That's 3. I'll take it. I'll take 3 chokers. That's better than none. But yeah, it is really good. I would definitely recommend getting one after this after the Mako V4 came out, it's been quite suckish. Squid Industries really lost their best Balisong. Tolerances aren't everything. If the Balisong's good, the flipping's good, right? Like, that didn't make sense, but you guys understand what I mean. I want to thank everybody that has subscribed. In 3 months, I've gained 400 subscribers, 416 or something like that. It's absolutely insane how many people follow me now, or not follow, but subscribe. And I really appreciate it. It's awesome. And like, I get a bunch of people DMing me and crap, and they say they watch me. It's like awesome. It's a really cool thing. So I really appreciate everybody that watches my videos. And yeah, giveaway at 1K is gonna be pretty lit. Anyway though, that's all I wanted to say. Bye bye.